are in the car at night because we're going to my auntie's birthday.
My picture.
And my mother.
Complete. Shall dance too cute. Love me tomorrow. Why must I be a teenager in love? A big man in love. Say go.
For my auntie to start her. In terms of glasses are nice. Elegant bun for her to start her birthday, my mother. Just come and smile at the back. Yeah, so you guys just saw some of my family members. As you know, we're still trying to do social distancing. Yes, it's not over people like one time. Yeah. Yeah, so.
For complain of pain because pain come with old age, and as you step the ladder, and I also pray, this is sincere, I pray that she'll grow old, graceful, and the Lord bless you, the Lord keep you and shine His light upon you. Because when God lights in it, you know, you bloom more and you blossom more. Okay, so that's it.
That's sincere.
I'll ask her brother, he's the only male amongst us. So I just ask her brother. I just ask her brother to
say something nice.
As a brother.
Anyway, I wish Sharon a happy birthday. And Sharon is one of our best sister. Called the first sister in town. And once you're around Sharon as a family member, she never make you go hungry. She
Amen.
Always pot.
Amen.
And feed you if you don't have any meal. I was hungry and she's a very jovial person. And she like to go out and happy herself. And she like to travel to the country from long time and visit her relative in the country.
Nothing wrong with that, she's a family person.
Yes.
And you finished marking?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
You want that picture?
Yes, I think
But you always face the light that way.
So alright, and then now I'll just call. I'll just put her friend Caroline on the spot. Friendship mean a lot to persons. I don't know, but the two of them seems to be peas in pod. So Caroline, I'll now turn over to you to say something on behalf of your friend as she continues her birthday celebration.
Well, I feel always be nice to me around. Because like meeting her, I can't forget the days when you always have to say, when I left country and down my river lane, and I always to be up and down. Did I say you see you? She every
yes,
all
man.
come here, me run God.
And calm, man.
And then one time she come and said, "Look here."
Yeah, I'm not too cold that time.
Yeah, man, Caroline, not tell a lie.
Yeah.
You know you shut up, you
You always, come here. When you start getting have kids, you must act like you're a mother. Act like you're an adult. Stop the dance, every all time you hear, you my own God. And I've been so very, it's like we are not, we are sisters.
Oh,
that's nice.
Amen.
Yes.
Sisters.
Yeah.
At times she have our liquor, we go Babsy,
Yes, man.
where we can talk. And,
Yes.
you know,
But at the time when you can't talk and she can't feel no way.
yes, she
Yes.
have a very, she have two sides. She have a nice side.
And then she said she has Gemini.
Yes, I was going to say, I said,
Gemini.
Gemini behave them way there. So some
I want you feel bad, your friend up back.
Yes, I was just like.
Amen.
You don't feel bad.
But you don't love to apologize.
No, and you don't. Yes.
Speak the
You don't
thing.
accept.
Alright. Good.
Let me say for roast, sir, because it's all like a roast.
We are
Peas is
in
hard.
one pad. And she say, come, we go on a road.
Yes.
We go on the road every Saturday.
Alright.
Right, yeah.
But that's no man's secret, but the biggest secret you should have talk. Listen, the biggest secret you should have talk is say, tall man feast a sheep, tell her to let sheep. Surprise. As we continue, wait. No, one more. As we continue the celebration, no, you can't tell me how much more. As we continue the celebration, Alisa now will give her a little 2 cents.
Always so caring. That's one thing I love about her. She always look out for me. Even when mommy gone, always call, always come to the house, and I appreciate that so much. Auntie, I love you. Hope you live for many more years.
Yes.
That's
What is nice. That was not even a roast.
I know. Yes, I know I'll come.
Alright, Auntie Sharon. I remember when I was at 15 turning 16, my first auntie would throw me a sweet 16 birthday party. I don't know if you remember. Oh, she didn't remember, but me remember.
Yes.
And all that, and so so that was something that I always appreciate. As I say, everybody say too, I always want to cater and be a family person. You know, he's a big family person.
Right.
When nobody roasting, but and the two, well, Gemini has a double personality, so I come with the territory. But overall, very nice people, love having fun, and very youthful. Don't believe in aging, because I don't believe either. So so that's very good.
Big it up.
Yes.
Okay,
Happy birthday, and I love you.
Okay, I know.
Mm-hmm.
I know about Sharon. Sharon is always happy. Never sad from her anywhere. And she's always ready to play and feel young as she is. She's always young. That's what I know about Sharon.
True.
She's a very loving person.
True.
Amen.
Yes, that's true.
I know I'll ask.
Smell like it, a bird.
Come, pretty,
No.
Yasin.
Yasin, your time.
Yasin? Come.
Oh, Miss Yasin.
Yasin.
I mean,
I'll turn down somebody.
Yasin, can I call upon Yasin?
Auntie Pat. This is my dear. I think this is my adopted mommy. From before my mommy passed, she was always there, part of the family. She just took us in, and she was always there. And in the most critical time of my life, she never left me there. Anybody I know who was always there for me.
Yes.
Auntie Pat. And I appreciate that. She's a real family-oriented person. She loves to have fun. We love to go road. We love to eat. Any little place I want to see that's open, we're ready to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And I can always come to her to give me good advice, good advice when I'm wrong. She won't make fun, tell me I'm wrong, and that I should not have done this. But if I any situation I'm in, I know say Auntie Pat, have your back.
Good.
Auntie Pat, I love that, and thank you for adopting me and incorporating me in your family. Thank you so much. I love you.
Yes, remember, we're hungry and we're tired to talk about the food.
Yes, wow food.
Birthday, Auntie.
Yes.
I have chicken, I have fish, and I have mashed potato, and I have vegetables,
Yes.
and I have real cherry juice, and I top it off with some mascata. I saw the way name.
We don't know what name neither. We're good.
Because you and Curly. Because you and Curly. That light. You lick it up.
Yeah.
We don't want to
She's
lick
Moscato.
Everybody want to lick at that drink still.
Every know about every Moscato.
With what?
Oh, why you putting them on?
No, a minute.
You're not putting
Them
them
on.
on. Alright.
My auntie sharing the food.
Some potato?
Is it ready?
Online on the new Domino's.com/JM.
I like wing and I like leg. But I like lots of mashed potatoes. I like lots and lots of mashed potatoes. Thank you, Aunty Bday.
Same thing.
You don't want to fish?
Why call when you can click?
Want chicken for egg?
Thank you very much, Auntie. Grandma. My auntie's about to cut her cake.
I told me I trouble you.
You look sexy.
You sure I'm a dress?
Yeah, excuse me.
Oh, my dress for my daughter.
Sexy
My
dog.
daughter, how me look?
Like a tat.
Bend down. Skin over, skin over, skin over.
Yes.
I'm just saying something.
I'm not chasing that.
Rachel.
Rachel.
Mark it through the character.
Every day me that part. Listen.
This is my granddaughter.
You never know say Rachel. Come on, say I'm not chasing that.
Where your mother there? Where your mother?
Tracy there. Tracy a drive.
Oh, she a drive.
No, don't talk and drive, remember.
Don't talk and drive.
No.
Rachel,
Soon wait, so that's all.
will you soon park up? Moon and night, we know.
Me don't want your niece to.
Where Alisa there? Where Rochelle there? Come. When you come home and some man. How about this one go for me here?
Which part?
We're coming from work. We're coming from work.
What kind of cake that?
Cheesecake and the other one is Black Forest cake.
Okay.
Me no eat cake.
Since when?
What do you mean since when?
Come nieces, come now.
Bazzy, me tell her me no eat cake. She said since when?
Hey, una catch a one here and come want it for send to my phone.
I eat cake, man. I'm too fat. Look for me. I look big too.
What happened?
I eat things up. I eat KFC. I don't eat cake. I cut out nothing out of my diet.
What's your dad? Oh.
I change my diet long time. I hardly eat meat too.
Come Rochelle, come Rochelle.
Just mostly fish.
No, not meat. Ackee and
What's your
calamari.
name?
I'll put some more on there.
Yeah, but you need to come here for the cake. Come on and
Mixed
serve.
vegetable, ackee and calamari and
Come on, no
Bulgur
video this
rice.
one here, you know.
I've never had bulgars rice. I've had it porridge, but I've never.
bulgur, with a bulgur meat.
Oh, them
Ready?
Me know how to cook it as well.
1, 2, 2.5. That's it. 2 and 3/4. 3.
3-1.
How much of them cut? 3 or 4?
It's
Oh,
your
sorry.
mother. What you expect?
No man, Lisa and Roseanne cut cake.
No.
Lisa and Roshi and me and Sharon.
One this time.
Them say, brother, come know, so all of them know already.
The lady asked for come forward. They are the one that in the place. Let her come forward.
Come, Babsy.
Take over.
There we go.
Babs, you know, I cut it fast. No, Babs, make me
No,
cut
because
it fast.
remember I said this.
Okay. That's right. Yes, Trey. No, I'm calling.